Thank you.
No need for the hand gestures, and now it's going to cost you because you're on camera and I want to report you for it. Bus stop. I was stopped at a bus stop. I was stopped at the bus stop. You have a look when you go down. There's a bus stop on both sides. There's a bus stop on both sides. I cannot get into the bus stop, right? So I stopped, let a child off, and you've given me an hand gesture like that. What was your excuse for the hand gesture? What was your excuse for the hand gesture?
You were blocking the road.
I was blocking the road because I was dropping a child off.
On that side.
Yes, there is. Go and have a look.
No, it's on that side.
Go and have a look.